It's 3 a.m. Somewhere in this plant, a machine has decided to ruin Monday. The breakdown nobody saw stops the whole line, and Arjun's day becomes one long emergency. Every minute of downtime is money flying out of the plant. Literally. But what if someone, or something, was watching while you slept? Meet MIRA. Let's replay that week. This time, MIRA caught the vibration at 3:05 a.m. By the time Arjun walks in, the fix is already scheduled. No fire, no chaos. The line stays green. The team stays focused. And Monday is actually great. Stop firefighting. Start managing with MIRA. Your plant, finally predictable.